Turn on the radio.
If there's still radio. It just keeps playing this.
Maybe something else will come on that we need to know.
The emergency alert system has been activated. This is a national emergency. All
Should we still go to
broadcasting
Aunt
cable
June's
systems
beach house?
now transmit this
Yes,
emergency
yes, she'll
action
be there.
notification message.
Put the radio back on.
There is a possible 1859 Carrington, that's a Carrington event.
Turn up the
today.
volume.
For those of you who don't know, the 1859 Carrington event was the worst solar storm in human history. This so far is the most feasible explanation according to Los Angeles Emergency Management. The Carrington event of today would have the power to damage satellites, power grid failures, and what seems as, I'm sorry, ladies and gentlemen, of trying to hold this together, the Carrington event could have been powerful enough to cause global communication blackout. My wife and 2 kids are in France, and I haven't heard from them. So, ladies and gentlemen, to be honest with you, I'm trying to hold it together. I'm sure as you are. So the Carrington event of today is still, in theory.
It's okay, John. I'll take over from here.
Appreciate that, Mark.
Of course. Yes, indeed, this is in theory, according to the Los Angeles Emergency Management. Emergency Management also says we must conserve energy as not to stress the power grids anymore. We must conserve energy. Which just brings me to my next announcement. We will only be on air for 2 hours a day, starting immediately. Tomorrow, we'll be back at this time, 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. Until further notice, will be our schedule. Ladies and gentlemen, we will try to inform you all the information we receive, and we hope to get back to normal to our FM sister station. As most of you know, John and I were the sportscasters. We talk about baseball, and we were here in the station when the flare, or whatever it is, happened. And we've been here ever since. This may be said many, many times, but you are in our thoughts, in our prayers, and ladies and gentlemen, please keep us, my wife and $3 daughters and John's, in your thoughts and prayers. Let us end today's broadcast with this encouraging song. Until tomorrow, be safe, my friends.